Classes are a great way to organise your students in myLexia, and they're essential for accessing detailed reporting data for each learner. To get the most accurate reports, make sure every student appears in at least one class in the Manage tab. To create a class, select the Classes tab and click Create Class. Enter the class details including the class name and year group, and then you're ready to add students. Click Add Students to see a list of all available student accounts. Simply tick the boxes next to the student's name you'd like to include. You can filter by year group by using the column headings, or search for individual students by name. Once you've selected all the relevant students, click Add to Class. You'll then see a list of students that are now part of the class. If you need to remove a student at any point, just click the icon next to their name. You can also add staff members to a class, ensuring the teacher responsible has access to the relevant reporting data. Select Add Staff, choose the staff members you'd like to include, and then click Add to Class. To make changes later, you can add or remove students and staff at any time by clicking the Edit pencil next to the class in the Manage tab. Once students are added to a class, you'll be able to view their progress and access reports at both the class and individual student level in the Reading tab.